Welcome to 126B Rembert Martin Park. This neat 2-bedroom, 1 full bath duplex patio home. The 2-car parking pad out front, covered front entry, as well as fenced backyard with storage room and wood deck. It's located in the St. Andrews area of Columbia, in the northwest section of Columbia, convenient to I-26 and I-20, as well as great parking and great shopping and dining in Harbison and close proximity to Lake Murray, as well as downtown Columbia. So we're out front. You can see it's the left side of a duplex patio home, and you can see back out to the parking pad there, which is very comfortable for 2 vehicles of any size. You have a covered front entry here as you approach up a few steps, and then we enter into the living room right off of the front door. So the living room is a nice size. You have a ceiling fan in here, as well as a couple windows looking out towards the front and left side of the building. And then straight ahead off the living room, you have your kitchen, updated luxury vinyl plank flooring in the kitchen. It's an eat-in kitchen, so you have sort of a dining area here with chair roll molding on the left side, and then an open design on the right with an included refrigerator, electric stove, and dishwasher. You also have your laundry closet in the kitchen as well, behind 2 bifold doors here, so you have full-size washer dryer connections in there and then a shelf above. Access to the backyard is also via the door here at the back of the kitchen. It's out back. You have a wood deck, and it sort of overlooks your fenced backyard area, which you can see kind of backs up to a buffer area there. So you have a fenced backyard, and then outside of the fencing, one of those 2 doors with exterior storage goes with this unit as well. So back inside, so right off the hall, off the living room, you have, of course, your 1 full bathroom that the 2 bedrooms share. So you have a single vanity there, tile flooring in here, and then a shower and tub. We'll sort of back around so you can see back towards the other way. Attic access here in the hall. Then you have 2 coat closet on the left and linen closet on the right here between the 2 bedrooms. So 1 bedroom on the left here facing the back of the property. Get you a bit more light in here. And both bedrooms have 2 closets, or rather sort of 1 closet that's connected, so it does continue through behind the door, but they do have 2 separate doors. But you still get the extra storage behind as well. And then the front bedroom is the larger of the 2, which also has the 2 closet door set up as well. So that completes our tour of 126B Rembert Martin Park. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.